Good morning, my dear students. As in the previous video, I have already explained you about all the ways that how we can add the shortcut to the taskbar. So in this video, we will learn about that how we can change the properties of the taskbar. So, and what are the taskbar icons? So read here. Whenever you open a software program, the taskbar on the desktop display an icon indicating that some application is running. The icon contain the logo of that software application. The taskbar icon is extremely useful when you are working with the windows simultaneously and at a time you can work in one window only. So my dear students, so these are the taskbar icons. If you want to work in any program, you will simply click on the icon of that program and you can open that program. So currently here we are working in MS Paint. So the window that is currently opened and currently in which we are working, that window is called active window. Okay, my dear students. So this is all about taskbar icon. So next one is switch between the windows. If you have more than one window opened on your screen, you can switch between the windows. You can switch between one program to another by using the task bar. You can work only in one window at a time. The active window appears in front of all other windows and display a dark title bar. So my dear student, here currently you are working into the WordPad. So this window is an active window, but suppose we do not want to work in this window, then in that case we can minimize this window from here and we can open another program from the taskbar like we have opened here MS Paint. So this is how we can switch between the windows. So here I will show you with the help of example. See here. Dear students, see here. Suppose currently I have opened the Microsoft Word and I am working into it. It means this window is called active window, but now I do not want to work in MS Word. So simply I will minimize this window, and suppose I want to work into the notepad, then simply I will click on the notepad icon here and now I can work into the notepad. So this is a way how we can switch between the windows. Okay. Next topic, my dear student, that we are going to study is customizing the taskbar, means how we can change the properties of the taskbar. So step number 1 is right click on empty section of the taskbar. So here we will right click over here. Then secondly, click on properties. We will click on which option? Properties. Third is click on taskbar tab. So here we will click on taskbar tab. Then my dear student, you will click on the option lock the taskbar. So here this option is already ticked. It means our taskbar has been locked already and we can't change the position of the taskbar. So if you want to change the position of the taskbar, firstly you have to unlock it. So we will simply click here and this tick will be removed and our taskbar will be unlocked. Next step is click on auto hide the taskbar. So my dear student, if you want to hide your taskbar, you will simply click over here and your taskbar will be hidden. And after applying all these changes, you will click on apply and then you will click on OK and your taskbar will be customized. So here I will show you how we can do that. So dear students, see here how we can customize the taskbar. Here I will right click over here. The option is given, that option is called properties, and then I will get a properties like this. So there is a lock the taskbar. If we want to change the position of the taskbar, here currently the taskbar has already been unlocked. If we want to lock it, click over here. If we want to unlock it, then click over again here. So my dear student, here the option is auto hide the taskbar. So here currently you are able to see the taskbar. So if you want to hide it, what you will do? You will simply click over here auto hide the taskbar. Then you click on the option apply. Then you click on the option OK. Now whether you are able to see the taskbar? Not. It means now your taskbar has been hidden. So this is how we can change these two properties of the taskbar. So my dear student, this is for today. Next we will continue in next video.